So if you've been following the last couple videos, you know that we have a lot of exciting things happening this week. First and foremost, I picked up not one but two K-Trucks. We got this clean 1987 550cc Daihatsu HiJet. So I just posted this in the last video. I really like this one a lot. I just wish it was a bit quicker, but I'm loving the silver bumper, the silver wipers, interior's clean. I don't think we're gonna do much with this one, but both of these cars are not mine. They're actually one of the Patreon homies. His name is Jimmy out in Chicago. And on the minicab, we're gonna paint the bed blue. We're gonna do it up to here, down in blue. I think the headache bar is also gonna be blue. We're gonna swap over the radio. I got a double din that's gonna go in here. We're for sure gonna paint these black. I believe he has a replacement emblem at home that's gonna be blue as well. And we're gonna test to see if these are 4x100 or 4x114. Online, there's kind of answers to both, so I'm really not sure, but I have some 4x100 rims, so maybe even gonna get some rims on here. And then along with those two projects, we also start the waffle for this bad boy. Hate to see it go, but speaking of Patreon, if you're in there right now, I posted a video of the new car that's coming in. Just watch that 2-minute video. That thing is insane. I don't think I've been this excited for a K car since, I don't think ever. I think I was really looking forward to the Z. I was really looking forward to the Cappuccino. I was really looking forward to this, but after finding that other one, we're not gonna talk too much about it. That's a Patreon exclusive. That really is just blowing my socks off. So I'll show you how many slots are left on this. I'm still gonna do a full video like going over everything, but if you don't know, we're doing a waffle between this beautiful Daihatsu mirror walkthrough just like this, and then one of my longest tendered WayBeforeTheFame cars, the good old Suzuki Cappuccino. So this one I'm actually gonna bring to my cousin's house this Friday. We're gonna swap over the valve cover gasket, the cam seals. I got something 3D printed for the cam gears. We're gonna use that camera he has to see if we can see exactly where the car is leaking, but I'm assuming by this Friday the car should be fixed. If it's not 100% fixed, I'll definitely order the parts that need to get fixed, because I want this car, let's say someone takes it, even they went for 50 bucks, I want to at least diagnose exactly what's wrong with it and get it fixed. Honestly, I want to drive this shit. Like, I'm actually pretty annoyed that I can't drive it. The weather's been so nice and it's been sitting up here collecting dust. And since I have another mirror walkthrough coming, to be honest, I hope they take the white one and I get to keep the Cappuccino just for a little longer. Maybe sell it closer to like September or something. So now let's talk about the star of this video. So this is a 1998 U41T minicab. This one is not 4-wheel drive, but the main reason I want to make this POV drive is because it's automatic. You don't really see too many automatic K-Trucks. From my understanding, I think most people just stay away from these because they're scared of the potential issues with the transmission. But you guys know I'm not a big automatic hater. My Daihatsu mirror walkthrough is automatic. I had a Jimny that was automatic, a Wagoneer, a Honda Life. I had a bunch of K-cars that were automatic. It's not as fun as the driving experience, but I do think it's great that really anyone can drive this. I wouldn't feel very comfortable putting someone in a right-hand drive car, even if they know how to drive stick, just because they're not used to doing it with their left hand and they kind of overthink it. But a car like this, I could put my mom in it. I could put anyone that has a driver license. I feel like if you know how to drive automatic, it's just one less thing to worry about. But this one has 60,000 kilometers. It has a power mode that we're gonna learn about in a second. The engine is under the seat, but it's pretty quiet as you guys can see. I'll pop the passenger side just so you guys can see it. Very easy to work on. A lot of people like to just glorify the sandbar and the Acti because it's easy to work on, but all I have to do is pop this seat open. Plugs are right there, wires are right there. Timing belt's probably easier than an Acti. Oil change, dipstick, coolant. And it's not really under the seat. As you can tell, it's kind of here and mostly back here. So let's start this drive. I think a truck like this is perfect for a farm or maybe a promo mobile for a business. All your employees don't know how to drive stick. We're definitely gonna do a couple acceleration tests, top speed run. All right, let's stop at this light. Actually, this is perfect for acceleration test once this light turns green. But yeah, it's cool. Like, I don't know, I live in New York City, so that's why I really don't mind automatic trucks. Like, even when I drove that 550cc home, that's a very slow truck. Like, you can't even go 85 kilometers without it beeping like crazy. But I'm in traffic nonstop. I'm at red lights forever. Like, even a 550, it really, after driving that, it opened my eyes to maybe I can get one of those. I really want to get a Suzuki Mighty Boy. That's been a car I've been wanting forever, but it's a 550 and I've been scared to get it. But after driving that HiJet, and even this, honestly, to an extent, because this is a 3-speed automatic, I think I could do it. I am currently going 50 kilometers an hour. chilled out a little bit too. I'll show you guys that in a second, but it's not as bad. I might do the thermostat. I've never done it before, so I don't know if I wanna try to do that, but maybe we'll do that along the series. But right now I'm going 60 kilometers an hour, which is 37 miles per hour, something close to that. And I'm still passing cars, I'm still flowing with traffic. The car does kind of sound like it's screaming, but it definitely could go faster. This is 80 kilometers. Still, honestly, going faster than everybody else. And in a couple seconds, I'm gonna be back into that good old New York traffic. But yeah, like you tell me I don't even know if I'm trying to convince you guys, or maybe I'm really not trying to convince anybody. I'm giving you my opinion, but I definitely can do this. Like, automatic K cars are significantly cheaper just because everyone, again, is scared of the transmission going, because it's not just changing a clutch. It's like, if the transmission goes in an automatic K car, to be honest, it's most likely just a parts car. But this one even has AC, which is pretty cool. Let's see if it works. I believe Jimmy said he's keeping this one for himself, and then the blue HiJet, if anyone's in the Chicago, Illinois area, that one is going to be for sale. I think that's why we're not touching that one too much. But yeah, like, I'll show you guys the other POV. Like, I'm flowing. Like, look, I'm passing everybody. I got my hands free. I can eat. Got two hands on the steering wheel. About to go downhill. That's 90 kilometers an hour, so about 50 miles per hour. The only thing I would say is that it's kind of all K cars though, but on these K cars, when you let off the gas, it's like the throttle body just shuts closed, so you lose speed immediately. If your foot's not on the gas, you're going from 90 to 50 kilometers in like 1 second. Like, look at the speed I'm going right now, and how I'm flowing and just passing people, going 60 kilometers an hour. I think we could go a bit faster now. I could probably even get up to 100 right now. Alright, so right now it's screaming. My foot's not all the way down, but it's screaming. So I'm going 80 still. I'm actually gonna press the power button. You can see right there, you see from normal to power. And let's see if it's less noisy and quicker to get to that 100 kilometers an hour. We're gonna try, let me get some space. You know it's gonna take 30 seconds. All right, let's go. Not enough room, sadly. It does feel a little peppier though. It's almost like it's you know, it's power mode. It's exactly what you think it feels like. So in my opinion, cruising speed is around 60 to 70 kilometers before it starts screaming. Can you go 80 for a long period of time? Sure. Can you go 100 for a long period of time? I would not suggest it. But we're currently going to City Field right now. We're going to get some price quotes on getting these seats stitched up. I want to see if I can get an idea of how much it's going to be. I don't really know a shop here that does that, but I'm just going to ask the paint homies to see if they know someone. Actually, I do know a shop, but I don't know if it exists still. As you can see, a lot of this stuff is kind of getting torn down. I got the K-Truck in its natural habitat, honestly. So I found the rear upholstery shop, gave him a business card, we chopped it up a little bit. For him to essentially fix both these seats, he said it wouldn't make sense just to close this because it'll reopen again. So he would take the bottom piece off and kind of do all of this, like do that over so it's stronger. Along with this side, he said $150 each to do that. And while we were talking, I wanted to know, just in case for future projects, how much to do a complete interior. He said $1,000. So that's to do this door card, this complete seat, that seat, along with that one. He said we could even do two-tone. So this could be like all red, this could be a different red, this could be black. I'm about to walk inside though and see some of his work, see if it's worth it. But I know some people pay double that. Some people even pay triple. So $1,000, it's a lot of money, but it does really transform the interior. And you could probably get something a bit softer too. Music was blasting in there, so I had to put some of my own tunes so I don't get copyright striked. But now, let's head back home, finish this POV drive. This is an acceleration test with power mode on. We did it. 100 miles, well, kilometers an hour. It did not love it though, even in power mode. Like I said, I think top speed cruising is right here. 80 kilometers an hour, but even here, I kind of feel like you're pushing it, but I would drive 80 every single day. I mean, I was driving 80 in a 554 speed. So I just got home. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this minicab. Is this the perfect highway road trip vehicle? No, but no K-Truck is. It is a bit slower because it's 3-speed automatic. On the other side of the coin, is this the perfect business or farm or just getting around town vehicle? Yes, because you can sit in traffic, be in your 3-speed automatic and really just cruise. And would I get one? Yeah. You'll see an automatic K-Truck on this channel. I'm not opposed to automatics. The only automatic I would never buy is an automatic Subaru CVT and maybe really any old 90s CVT. But this minicab is nice. It has a very similar interior to my Bravo. Horn works, door cards in good condition. He's just gonna fix up some things when I get back to Chicago. Like, I like that I'm not doing everything on this car because it still gives the owner some time to do the, you know, the above and beyond stuff. Maybe swap over the steering wheel, maybe add some speakers up there, maybe get the seats rear posted local to him. He could do all the maintenance himself. He can do maybe some fog lights, a light bar, lift kit. The possibilities are endless. But I'm in this video here. We're gonna talk about these two in the next one. Waffle officially started. I can't believe it, honestly. Like, I'm promoting it, but not promoting it too much, but I really should be promoting it like crazy. So I'll let you guys know. This is how many slots are currently available right now. I think it's gonna fill up in a couple weeks. Once I post the next video, once I fix this car, once I kind of give everyone the rules and everything, I think it's really gonna fill up quickly, just because I think this is my biggest Waffle yet. The coolest cars ever. You got the 2-seater Cappuccino that I drove all the way from California. Then you got the Daihatsu Mirror walkthrough. Then second place is a Motor Compacto. Then you have cash prizes. Then you have 7 other additional prizes like glow plates and normal plates and toys and a bunch of stuff. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Also, update on the plates. I'm gonna add them on my website this weekend. I've just been super busy doing a bunch of stuff, but we have 51 sets of just regular Japanese plates. So these are not glows, and then I do have the covers. So I have either this one or this one. I'm gonna sell them in a set, and I believe I'm just gonna put one of each. So I'm gonna put one flower, one thumbs up, and then another package from Japan just got here. So everything here except this guy are all glow plates. Road to 100K. I'm not messing around. Road to 100K financially. Road to 100K subscriber-wise. We have sets of 9 total sets. One of these are going to be for the giveaway. One of them is going to be for me. So let's say 8 total sets. So all we got to wait now is for the backlight. And then these are going to be on the website as well this weekend. So a lot of stuff happening. A lot of fun moves. But I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.